Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the intersection of this one. So we have cosine theta square equal to sine theta square. So we put this one go to the left. This one is about trigonometric identity. We change cosine to cosine to theta. And now we need to find the value of this one. So 2 theta equals to b over 2 plus kb, because this is about number 0, so we just have only kb in here. And k should belongs to z. Z is about integers. And now we divide both sides by number 2. So we know that this is about cardioid. So we will start from 0 to 2b. So the theta in here should be about b over 4 when k equal to number 0. When k equal to number 1, we have b over 2, and that's about 3b over 4. The next one, we will have about k equal to number 2, and we have 5b over 4. And the next one, when k equal to number 3, so we have 7b over 4. So in this situation, we will have about 5 intervals in here from 0 to b over 4 and b over 4 to 3b over 4. The next one, 3b over 4 to 5b over 4 and 5b over 4 to 7b over 4. And the last one, that's about 7b over 4 to 2b in here. Because we don't know which one is about upper, which one is about the lower, so I will show you another way to do. So I will put about 1 over 2 in here, and I will put the absolute value. And now we have the integration. So I will start about this one first, from 0 to b over 4. And later that, we use about cosine theta square to the power of 2 minus sine theta square to the power of 2, and that's about d theta. So I will calculate only one unit. You can do same with this one, this one, this one, and this one. Later that we sum on 5 integration in here, and you got the final answer. Now I will go to the first one in here. This one, that's about identity. So we have about cosine 2 theta square minus sine theta square multiplied by cosine theta square plus sine theta square. We know that this one is about number 1. So This one we change for cosine 2 theta. The integration of this one, we will have about 1 over 2 sine 2 theta, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. So we put b over 4 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have about sine 2 multiplied by b over 4 minus 1 over 2 sine number 2 multiplied by number 0. We calculate about this one, and we got about the absolute value of 1 over 2. So we will have about 1 over 4. Now we can use the same technique to calculate about this one, this one, this one, and this one. So for the first one, we just have only 1 over 4. So this one we will have about 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and 1 over 4. So we sum 5 fractions in here, and we got the final answer. And that's it about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.